We are going to hunt for colors all around us.
Hello, bunny friends. Are you ready for an adventure? Today we're going on a colorful scavenger hunt. We're going to look for bright and beautiful colors all around us. Here's how we play. I'll call out a color, and you look around your room or house to find something that matches. When you find it, hop back and show it to me on the screen. Ready? Let's go! The first color is red. Can you find something red? Maybe a red toy, a red book, or even a red sock. Did you find it? Hold it up high. Wow, great job. Now, let's look for something blue. What can you find that's blue? Maybe a blue cup, a blue shirt, or a blue crayon. Show me your blue things. Wow, that's amazing. Next up is yellow. Look for something yellow. It could be a yellow block, a yellow spoon, or even a yellow flower. Hold up your yellow things, so bright and sunny. Let's find something green. Maybe a green leaf, a green ball, or a green pillow. Show me your green things. That is beautiful. You did an amazing job, bunny friends. You found so many colors. Remember, you can play this game anytime with your family, your friends, or even by yourself. Colors are everywhere. Just look around and explore.
What are we going to do now, BoppleBerry?